Look, most founders and investors out there are stuck wasting time chasing the next shiny app or empty buzzword. The real pain? Watching real problems get ignored while everyone just talks about hype. Climate change is suffocating us, and tech can't just be about convenience or flashy exits anymore. You see the frustration, right? Billions are on the line, not because it's easy money, but because ignoring this shit will cost humanity everything. The question is, are you just going to watch that happen? Or are you ready to bet on what actually saves the world and builds insane value while doing it? Here's the brutal truth. Impact investing in climate tech isn't a charity game or a feel-good distraction. It's the play where every dollar either doubles as a solution or spills into irrelevance. You want to invest or build here? You need to stop thinking like everyone else. Forget chasing the latest trend. Focus only on breakthrough innovations. Stuff that's not just incremental improvements on solar panels or EVs, but game changers on how we produce energy, store it, or clean up the mess we made. Step 1. Zero in on scalability and what nobody else sees yet. For example, look at materials science that can replace plastics or new battery tech that's not just better, but actually viable at scale without destroying the planet or your margins. If your pitch or your investment thesis can't scream, "This can replace an entire dirty industry," you're wasting time. Step 2. Build a network that challenges you and holds you accountable. The people who get this aren't in the usual startup meetups. They're outliers, scientists who talk in formulas, old-school industrialists who think in gigatons, and investors who sleep with their eyes open because they know the risk is enormous, but the upside is unmatched. You need these connections. Alone, your genius clicks are noise. Connected, they're a lightning storm. Then, you need to obsess over policy and regulation like your life depends on it. Because in climate tech, politics can kill or fuel your venture overnight. Don't wait for the system to catch up. Work with insiders, lobby quietly, build coalitions. This is what separates amateurs from real players. Last, get brutally clear on metrics that matter. Not user growth or daily active this or that, but carbon removed, tons saved, dollars per ton of clean output produced. If your board can't hold you to that, you're soft. Climate tech answers demand hard numbers, and nothing else will convince the giants who'll buy or back you. Stop thinking linearly. The biggest wins in climate tech come from exponential leaps. So when you're hunting deals or building your company, look for exponential potential, not just incremental tweaks dressed as innovation. If you don't, you're just playing at the edges, and no one bets billions on edges. They bet on shifts. This moment is brutal, but also unlike anything else. It's the last shot capitalism has to look like a savior, not just an extractor. And if you don't step up with real conviction, you'll be remembered as the ones who watch the fire burning and put more wood on it. So stop hesitating. Double down on rigor. Double. Chase the hard stuff that no one else wants to touch. Build relationships that pull you forward, not comfort you where you are. Own your role in this, because the stakes aren't just profits. They're survival and legacy. This isn't about feeling good. It's about owning the future. Get in or get left behind. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and open the featured link to discover more.